If you guessed Korean Airlines for week 13, you are correct. Let's play Guess the Airline. This will be a weekly quiz to test your knowledge about airlines. Let's start. Hint number 1. This airline is one of the only airlines with a 5-star rating. Hint number 2. This airline won the World's Best Airline Award 9 times and most recently got that award this year. Hint number 3. This airline was the launch customer of both A350 types. Did you take a guess yet? Who do you think it will be? The answer will be revealed next week.